Hey guys! Okay, I'm starting off with a clean face, washed and moisturized. I also use my Fenty Beauty primer, but of course you can use any primer that you prefer. So now I'm just going to prime my eyelids using a concealer. You can use any concealer. I'm using the ColourPop concealer. So today we're using the Grime palette from NYX Makeup, and I'm going to set my lids with the lightest color in this palette, which just also happens to be close to my skin tone. Now taking a smaller blending brush, I'm going to use the dark brown shade to start building up the outer corners of my eyes and also building the shape of the look I'm going for. At this point, I decided to bring a little bit of warmth back into the eye look, so I'm going in with this brick red color that's really pretty, and it's just going to add another dimension to this eye look. Now I'm going in with another metallic shade. This time it's more of a champagne color, and it's just going to add another dimension to the eyelid. I'm just placing it right in the center for it to pop. For the inner corner of the eyes, I'm going in with another shimmer shade, and it's going to be a light pale gold that seems to be more on the neutral side, and it's going to add a perfect pop to our inner corner. And now for the skin. I'm going to start off by color correcting any dark marks or anything that needs to be concealed. For my skin tone, I love to use the orange concealer. It does the best to hide any type of brown or dark discoloration that I suffer from. For foundation, today I'm using this Weightless Blur foundation by Becca Skin, and I really love the way it makes my skin look luminous and glowy without making it look cakey, and it really gives me a glowy finish. Now I'm going to conceal my under eyes, my T-zone, anywhere you want to add a highlight or pop to your skin. You know, you want to give it dimension. I'm using the ColourPop concealer, but you can use any concealer you like. A favorite is also the NARS Creamy Concealer. Yes, highlight. Boom. Okay, this highlight in the NYX palette really gives me that pop that I really need for this look, and honestly, it's one of my favorites. final look. It's a warm fall vibe. I'm digging this dark lip and green under eye. It kind of switches things up a bit. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment down below and let me know what other looks I should do or what videos you guys want to see from me. Cool? Okay, bye.